Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642, was an Italian astronomer, physicist, engineer, and mathematician who played a central role in the scientific revolution. He grew up in a world that believed Earth was the center of everything. Galileo was born in Italy in 1564, and from a young age, he was curious about the mysteries of nature. While others accepted what they were taught, Galileo had a rebellious mind. He wanted to see the world with his own eyes and understand how it truly worked. One day, news of a new invention, the telescope, reached him. Galileo built his own version, making it powerful enough to gaze deeper into the sky than anyone ever had. When he first aimed it at Jupiter, he was shocked to find small dots dancing around the planet, moons orbiting Jupiter just as Earth orbited the Sun. This discovery challenged the belief that everything revolved around Earth. Night after night, he sketched the moon's movements in his journal, building proof that would shake the world. But Galileo didn't stop there. He turned his telescope toward Venus and observed that it had phases like the moon, something that could only make sense if Venus was orbiting the Sun. With each observation, the pieces fell into place. The heavens were not what they seemed, and Earth was not at the center. Galileo's findings thrilled him, but they also worried him. The Church, a powerful force at the time, taught that Earth was the universe's center, as per the old ways. But Galileo couldn't stay silent. He published his discoveries, and they spread like wildfire. Soon people began to question the ancient views, and the Church took notice. In 1633, Galileo was called to face the Roman Catholic Inquisition, accused of heresy for challenging the Church's teachings. Under immense pressure, Galileo was forced to renounce his ideas publicly. Despite his recantation, he whispered, "And yet it moves," a quiet defiance hinting that he still believed Earth orbited the Sun. Galileo spent the rest of his life under house arrest, but his ideas couldn't be contained. Long after he was gone, his discoveries became the seeds of modern science. Galileo is credited with developing experimental methods that emphasized observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis. This approach marked a shift away from purely theoretical and philosophical approaches to science. Galileo's work, although initially met with resistance, became instrumental in changing humanity's understanding of the universe and laid the foundations of modern physics and observational astronomy. He is celebrated as one of history's great scientific minds.